Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this session we are going to discuss about HTML forms. And yeah, again we'll discuss about what is HTML forms, why do we use the HTML forms, and different types of tags are there in the forms also. That also we are going to discuss. And get versus post method also we are going to discuss input elements, label tags, radio buttons and checkbox, and these are some aspects we are going to discuss in our today's video, and stay tuned to be continue with our sessions. Fine. First of all, we'll go with the HTML forms. Like, what is HTML forms? Before going to HTML forms, most of you applied for the forms, whenever going for the traveling in the bus, aeroplane, or in the trains or something. And even most of you guys are applied for the NEET examination, JEE, and most of you filled your forms in that stuff, right? There you should you most of you are entered your name, email ID, and sometimes your hobbies, age also. Fine. These are all are HTML forms, and those forms are created using basic structure of HTML. That's it. Today also we are going to discuss about that forms only. So basically these HTML forms are, they're very important elements of some of the websites. Okay, we'll see one by one. We'll go and we'll discuss about the HTML forms today. Fine. Okay. Initially, we'll just create one file in the HT VS Code. We have created a new file in the VS Code, and we have kept the name index.html. And I told index.html is a home page of any other website. Fine. We'll just write this HTML using the boilerplate. We'll just write this emit abbreviations. Fine. In the title, you can see we'll just put a different tag or something. Title, in the title we put a forms. Okay, here we'll give some different stuff. NapPy will give. Today we'll learn how to build a in the website, how to create a files, forms or something. Fine. Today we going to discuss about that thing only. Now what we'll do here, we'll just know about the forms first. This is a thingy I have written here. What is forms now? First we'll discuss about that thingy. You know the names of the forms, and it means whenever I initially told I told whenever you're going to travel in the trains, or whenever you're booking the aeroplanes, that time it will ask for some basic details, right? It will ask for your name and your age, and whenever at what time you are departing and what time you want to go there, and dropping point, and dropping point, all it will ask, right? In that stuff we'll just enter all the details, and the details whatever you are entering in one specific format, right? In the specific format, it is like a kind of form, and it which is created by using the HTML format, right? This is the stuff we are going to discuss today completely in this session. And now in the HTML also we have a form tag. I'll just go through the VS Code itself. Yes, in the HTML we have the form tags. Just I'll write the form tags in the body tag itself. Okay. In the body tag, we'll just write a form tag itself. Fine. For form tag, form action. We'll write here again. Fine. Form action is equal to here we should enter the stuff. Okay. Actually, in the HTML, we have the HTML tag. One of the tag is like form tag. We should use this also. In this way, the first question will be coming across what is this action or something. Fine. Actually, in the what we tell HTML forms, we have basically two types. One is like a get request, another one is like a post request. Just we'll just discuss one by one. Uh, Now we shall see what is the get tag and what is this post tag later also, because mostly these are used in the backend itself. But still, get tag is a very simple request. Like whenever you want to ask a very simple request, no, that time we'll use a get tag. And if you want ask more details about the person, that time we'll use a post request. In the post request, what basically will happen, if the client want to send a text or something to the database or something, that time you'll use this post request. That's it. We'll just go through it again. Okay, whenever you are giving that get request and post request are there, no? First of all, that get request is nothing but whenever you want to ask a simple question, so that time you use a get request. That's it. Whenever you want to ask more data or more something, if you want with that time you'll ask a post request. That's it. This is a very simple difference. And in the upcoming videos, we'll learn about this in completely in detail. Okay, actually these are actually related to the backend. It's not related to front end, but still we made you to know or something. Fine. Okay. Next we'll move here, and yeah, we'll just try to use this form tag itself. In the form tag is there, we'll write a post here. That's it. Again, I'll just make you like guys clear something. And we have the get request and the post request. I'll go to the PPT slides also if it is available. Means fine. Okay, it's available. First, we seen like what is form tag. In the form tag only, like all the stuff we are going to write. You can see here in the syntax also. In the syntax, we have written the form action is equal to URL and the method, like whatever it is there, get or the post. So you should write the method also. If you didn't written any method means it won't accept. That's it. And yeah, these are some difference between the get method and the post method also. Like I'll just upload this study material on our website. Later once the sessions get end, that time you can access this what we tell this PPT slide or something. Fine. And this is all about the get tag and that post. What is this? Get versus this post method. You can go through it later. Okay. And again, I will tell once again, like get method and the post method is very simple. Whenever you want to store whenever you want to ask something for the like database or something, if you want to search about the URLs or something, that time you use the get. And if you want to ask a user that about their data, and basically it is called a long data or more data, that time we'll use a post method. And in the most of the condition we'll use the post method itself. And no need to like just as of now don't think much about this get method. And these are related to the backend, not the front end or something. Fine. This is all about called like what we tell get method and post method. Fine. Okay. Now the get request is there. No, it's very important. Just give me a while. I'll just go here. Okay. Now get is there. No, okay, okay, okay. Under the request, it is a very simple request that we have to tell that server something. That is we have a server that request nothing but whatever the post is there. No, what we will tell it will send the request for the server, and the server will give you like whatever the basic requirement is there. It will give. That's it. Uh, Fine. Now we'll just go for that input. What we tell input tags or something. Fine. Okay. Now we'll go for the input tags. Just give me a while here. Like we'll go for the input tags. Okay. Okay. And now we'll show you some input tags in it. Fine. I will tell you like what are the input tags and what are the elements will come in under this like input tags or something. For or like whatever the data is there now, you can put the data, you can put the form, and you can say your name and whatever the phone numbers and all the stuff are there now. By using the input tags only, you will write. I'll just go with our website also once. We have the NapPy now. Wait a minute. We have an app website, right? Just give me a while. We have NapPy, right? We have NapPy website. And once you come here and click on the join now, you can see like it is a kind of form only. Like it is asking for that input data only, right? It is asking for the name, email ID, mobile number, college name, and device and all the stuff. What it is a form, kind of form only. Here we use that input tags. Because of input tags only, that user can enter their name and their email ID, and they can submit to the backend or something. Fine. This is a very simple example of a input tags, I'm telling. In the input tags it is very simple. And we are telling again, in the input tags we are just giving the inputs of the elements, like what is your, you can put your data like your name, your mobile number, your email ID, your gmail, and your age also sometimes if it is requirements. That the input tags are the no. Uh, these put tags are very important in the some other website. So we'll put some input tags and we'll just create a, yeah, we'll just write in the VS code also. Fine. We came for the VS code, and here also we'll do some changes or something. Fine. Okay. In between this like a open tag of this form and this closing tag of the form, we'll write the content in between, like whatever the inputs we want or something. Fine. Like input tags, by using the input tags, we'll write some content here, right? Input. Fine. Input type. You should write here input type is equal to, under this input type, like whatever you want to write, right? I'll just write here text. Fine. Input tag will just return a text, and we'll write a name. Fine. Name. Name is equal to, we'll write a username or something. Fine. We'll write a username, and like a placeholder also we'll write here, like placeholder. Placeholder. I'll just explain everything now. If you are getting nothing means just wait for a while or something. And under this placeholder, fine, right, it is a right, no placeholder, fine. Under this placeholder, right, you will write enter your name or something, fine, username, enter your, fine, we wrote here like enter your what we tell, username, fine. Now once you return this, just we'll execute this stuff and we'll see. Fine, just waiting for the execution. Fine, you can see now it is showing the space, right? Like it is showing the space here. We can enter like whatever the username and all the stuff we can enter. This is the input tag. In the input tag, like whatever things we are writing, you can input in the box, like whatever it is there, right? By using the input tags. Fine. Now we will use like what to tell. You will use some head tag also. Like if it is required, we'll use a head tag also here. Just give me a while. Fine. Like after this body, we'll write a head tag also. It's fine if you write the head tag means. Fine. This thing is, I'll just copy it and I'll paste this stuff. Fine. We'll just try to execute again this program. Wait a minute. Fine. We'll write this here, and under this headline, we'll write anything like assume that, assume how to apply. Okay, I will write here like we should write the headline, right? We'll write headline apply for NapPy. We'll write TA, teaching assistant or something. Fine. This is a headline, right? This is a headline, and under this we have this content. We'll just try to execute again this stuff. Okay, you can see like it is telling like the headline is executed properly. It is telling apply for the NapPy TA means that it is nothing but a teaching assistant because we needed teachers for our like website to teach you guys because I can't nowadays I'm feeling like I can't handle all the stuff alone or something. Fine. If any of you are like very interested to take the online sessions and record the sessions means you are always welcome. You can just contact me. I'll give you a platform to showcase your like whatever the stuff like whatever the like what we tell talent you have, we will give a platform for you. Fine, just come back to the video again. Okay, we'll come for the VS Code again. Like you can see, like H tag is 0. Under this H tag, we return like apply for the NapPy, like what we tell teaching assistant. Under this, we have written the input tag also. Fine, you can see. Now, once I execute here, you can like put your name or something. Fine, this is the stuff. And yeah, now we'll go for a next slide or something. Fine, this is all about the input tag. Okay, now we'll go for the label tag also. Label tag is used to provide a labels or name or caption for the input elements because okay, what actually this label tag will do, it will provide like a name and what to tell caption, like whatever the caption is there for the input, like whatever the input tags are there, it will give that stuff. Okay, now we'll come for this what we tell VS Code and we'll try to write that label form also. Fine, under this form, uh, okay, under this forms we'll write a label tag also. Okay, here you can write this stuff also, like label is the right. Okay, you can write the label and label for is equal to, and again HTML is a not a case sensitive. Even if I written here capital letter, it will get execute. No need to worry. If I written any capital letter or small letter, it will execute. And HTML is not a case sensitive. And again I'm telling, fine. I'll close this stuff. Okay, that label also done. Okay, now we'll see like what is like a ID form or something. We'll see. Fine. In the input type, under this text is there, no? Fine. Here, like under this text, we'll write a username or something. Again, one more thingy, like whenever we're executing this program, you'll find out that username, because we'll keep a username, because that username is there, no? It will make our like form like more like what do you tell? It will give like more security or something. If you have username means like no one can else use that username. Fine. It will give some security or something. We can use like that also. Fine. Okay. This is all about this label tag or something. Okay. Today's in this session, what we learned, we'll just summarize everything, and yeah, whatever the part is left out, no, we'll just continue tomorrow itself. Today we've seen like what is HTML forms, and yeah, again we gone through like some HTML form tag also, and we seen like what is like get method and what is like a post method. These are very important, and these are like mainly related to the backend also. And we gone through the input tag, like what is input tag, and you can see like a common input type also. You can see like I have mentioned everything in this PPT. And yeah, again we gone through like bit, we gone through the label tag, and I didn't explain much about this label tag also. I just told like it will provide the label or name or caption to this stuff. That's it. Today in this video we just discussed about like only forms, basically briefly we seen like what is HTML forms, and yeah, what is input tag or something. We just discussed only like these three elements. And yeah, actually this is all about for today's session. And like whatever the stuffs are there, tomorrow we'll just go through the label tags also. And that radio buttons, like radio buttons are the very important. You can see here like male, females, others, like sometimes you're selecting the things in the mostly in the Google forms, whenever you're giving the feedback for your lectures in the college or something, that time we'll use the radio button. This radio button is nothing but we have some multiple options. Whenever you click on that option, that will get colored or something, circled or something. This is all about the radio button. And the checkbox, like most of the times multiple like options we need to like what we tell select, no, that time we'll use this checkbox also. Yeah, tomorrow in detail we'll go through that label tags, radio buttons, checkbox, and what we tell that select drop down. Yeah, all the thingy. And again that text area is the, no, this is also very important. Text area, like sometimes we'll just give the blank area. Most of you seen this all the stuff in the Google form only, like Google Drive, they'll just give the Google forms. In the Google forms, like most of you seen like radio buttons, like selecting the any one content out of them. And like a checkbox also, many of you seen like if you want to select a multiple items in the given like a texture, you can select this checkbox also. And yeah, you can see this also, like select drop down is the, no, if you, many times while filling your like forms in your JEE application, NEET application, it is asked for your country, your nationality. That time you gone through all the countries list, no, that time you gone through the India and selected. You can see as example, no, in the example you can see. And these are the syntaxes, and these are the purposes, and this is the code, full code, how to execute this stuff. And again, for coming to the area of text, no, area of text is nothing but it will be like a blank space where you can enter your opinion or something. Many times your college people have sent it you like a things, no, like feedback forms. In the feedback forms, forms, they give like a last option, like any other feedback or something. That time they might be given you like a very full blank space, no. In that blank space you will be like writing your own like stuff, like whatever the feedback it is there. And this is also possible through this text area. And yeah, this is a syntax you can see, and this is a whole code, how we need to execute. And these are some key points, and these are the purposes or something. Fine. Once again, I'll briefly tell what are the things we discussed today. We just discussed about HTML forms, and we gone through the HTML forms. What is HTML forms? And the form tag also we gone through. And we gone through like we got to know that we have the two methods in the HTML form tag. One is get method, and another is post method. Get method is nothing but it is used for like a simple thingy, and post method is also used for when you want to require data from the opposite like person or something. Fine. In the input tag also, like we just discussed the input tag. What is input tag? In the input tag only, we are giving the text, password as emails, mobile number, date of birth, and age. All the stuff we are just writing with the use of this input tag only. Fine. Again, we just like little bit we discussed today about this label tag also. This label tag and this radio button and this checkbox, and what we tell this, what we tell again, we have one more thing is slide down, select drop down, like these are things are there, no. And again one more thing, like text area. This all like remaining like 4 to 5 concepts we'll just discuss for the tomorrow session. Yeah, like from last few days I was not taking any live sessions or something. I've been like irregular for the classes. But fine, like today we just discuss only little bit, and fine, tomorrow we'll just complete all these tags or something related to the forms. And yeah, like soonly we'll take a 1 hour sessions or more than 45 minute session. Still now we have conducted only like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maximum half an hour sessions we have conducted. From like upcoming classes the session may go for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, like max to max 1.5 hour. Like from next session we'll just conduct. And this is all about for like today's sessions. If you have any doubts regarding like whatever things we learned today, or whatever the doubts we have, like if you have like some from the previous class also, you can like comment in the comment section, or you can DM in our Instagram, or you can like we have option in the what we tell, we have one more option in our website like NapPy. You can like whatever the doubts are there, no, you can enter there also. I'll show like where we should ask the doubts something. Okay, I will just log in through my account. I'll show you. Like if you have any doubts also, you can just drop your doubts in this what we tell in the here only. Like whatever things are there on the website, we have like one AI chatbot also. In the AI chatbot, you just ask like whatever the doubts are there. It will just redirect me all the doubts. Again, in the AI chatbot, we have like WhatsApp community. Once if you click on this stuff, you will be joining to our WhatsApp community. And here for the support, all the things you have one number, you have the mail. You can whenever you have the doubt, you can just text for this contact number, or else you can drop like a text for this mail ID also. Okay, this is all about for the today's like sessions. And if you have any doubts still, like we'll be there available for any time. We'll just solve your doubts. Fine. Okay, this is all about for the today's session, and thank you for watching. And we'll see you soon in the tomorrow session. Fine.